Welcome back to the Silver River Chairs channel. We're back with this lovely Windsor chair that I did spend quite some time. It turns out it's a combination of dowels that were quite large. You have to chisel those out a little at a time, following the angle that the angle of the drill originally. It took about an hour and a half to get both of these out on both sides here. The screws are easy. At this point, you can start to take the screws out. Screw out here. At that point, if you're lucky, the joint starts to come apart. If not, you give it a little tap here, tap here. You can also, from the bottom side, pry the joint apart. You don't want to go from the top because it will mar the wood. Now you know that this can come apart. You're great that the glue joints there are broken. Now you have to decide if these guys want to come off from the bottom or the top. So you gently are giving these a tap, giving it a tap. These guys are coming off at the top, so I'm going to keep doing that. If that works. Go this side as well. Okay. It's great. It's easier than it, I made it look very easy there. Be careful with it. Sometimes you might need to use a stretcher in between the two. And at this point, you can weave your rush seat, and then this will be assembled back on. Reassembly is just the reverse of what we just did. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.